October 6th, 2020, let's practice. Number 1, Scott notices an identical number of 2 types of insects in his neighborhood, butterflies and fireflies. He always seems to observe or watch those butterflies in groups of 5 and fireflies in groups of 10. What is the smallest number of butterflies that he could have seen? So, let's take a look. He always seems to observe butterflies in groups of 5 and fireflies in groups of 10. So butterflies in groups of 5, if I put that in a certain color, and then fireflies in groups of 10. Let's see. What is the smallest number of butterflies that he could have seen? So smallest is going to be least. Smallest, least common multiple. All right, we're going to find our least common multiple of 5 for our butterflies and 10 for our fireflies. Now, remember, it said there's an identical number of 2 types of insects. So there's an identical number. That means they're the same numbers. So that means it can't just be 5 butterflies because there's more fireflies that he sees in another group. So we need to figure out what's the smallest number that he could see. All right, so let's find our multiples of 5. We know this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and so on. All right, multiples of 10. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and so on. What is that first number that they share? That first number they share, do they share a 5? No. How about a 10? They do. That first number, the least of the common multiples is going to be a 10. Woo, this wants to go over the 10. There we go. That first number that they share is going to be 10. So this is 5 groups. It's going to be 5 butterflies in the first group. Another group is going to be 10 butterflies. So the least number of butterflies he could see is 10 butterflies. Awesome, awesome. I'll make that a little bit bigger so we can see it better. There we go. All right, let's look at number 2. Today, both the soccer team and the basketball team had games. The soccer team plays every 3 days, and the basketball team plays every 5 days. When will both teams have games on the same day again? So when will they have them on the same day again? So on the same day again, that's going to mean what? Oh yeah, our least common multiple. So we're going to look at the least common multiple. Now, soccer team plays every 3 days. I'm going to put that in, let's do it in red. And the basketball team plays every 5 days. I'll put that in blue. So we're going to find least common multiple of 3, 3 and 5. So let's see. All right, so multiples of 3, we have 3, and then 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and so on. Multiples of 5, we know these. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and so on. What is the first number they share? Do they share 3? No. 6, 9, 12, 15. 15! They share 15. That's the first and the smallest number they share. So, in 15 days, they'll play again. So, in 15 days, they will play on the same day again. So, they'll have to wait 15 days to play on the same day again. And that is it for our practice. Great job.